So this website help you create viral videos, or it will help you create viral short videos which you can upload on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also for YouTube. So welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are not left behind whenever we upload our videos. Nowadays you can be a content creator without showing your face. All you have to do is to know the right website for that. So if you are watching this video, I guess that you are liking, because today I'll be showing you how you can create faceless videos. You don't need editing skills for you to create YouTube videos with this website, and you also don't have to write a script for you to generate videos with this website. You can generate script using AI with this website. You can create a video in a minute using this website. So now let me start. All you have to do is come here to create and then select AI story video. Here you don't have to put your own script. You can choose to go to AI script, so that this website will create an AI script for you. So I'll just come here, let's see, then here you can choose templates which you want to use on that moment. You can do bedtime stories, you can do long form jokes, you can do interesting history, you can do life pro tips. You can do a lot of things with this website. All you have to do, you just have to choose your niche that you are more interested to. So as for me, for now, which one can I use to show you how you can create faceless video with this website? So I'll just go to Live Tip Pros. Let me use Live Tip Pros. Here you can select the script length of your video. You can select from 30 seconds to 60 seconds. You can select from 60 seconds to 90 seconds. You can select from 90 seconds to 120 seconds. So if you are creating short videos, or if you are creating reels, make sure that you select option 2, which is 60 seconds to 90 seconds. Let me wait just for a minute and then my video will be done. Here is my script. Here is my my script, which was generated by this website. So now I'll just click next. You see that I don't have to write my own script. Here I'm choosing the background style. Which one can I use? I can use, okay, let me use this one. Looks more interesting. I'll use it. And also here you can choose the ratio which you want to use. So I'll choose this one and then click next. So here I'm choosing how my subtitles should look like. So here I have so many options. I don't even know which one to choose because they all look great. But let me check. Okay, I'll choose this one for now. Then I can click next. So here you have another option to choose which voice you want for your video. You have so many people here that you can choose, or which you can use their voices. So here you can just play here if you want to hear which voice that you like. So now I'll just click generate the video. So now this website is generating a video for me. All I have to do is just wait for a minute or 2 minutes, then my video will be done. I can immediately post that video on my social media platform. I don't have to wait, and my videos will have no copyright after that. So now it's done generating a video for me. As you can see, this website is capable of generating titles for you, and also it's capable of generating video description for you. So for you to see the project that you have done, you can do this. Just go back home and select my project. Then you'll be able to see all the projects that we have done. You have an option to download all these projects so that they can be stored on your hard drive instead of them being online.